Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a side elastic braid. Take a section of hair from the front of the face and then another one from the back of the part and secure them into a ponytail with a clear baby elastic. Once the ponytail is secured, go back and pull on the edges of the hair going into the elastic to give it some extra volume. And then just repeat those steps again, so taking another section of hair from just underneath the last one and securing them into a new ponytail just behind the first one. As you get further back, you'll want to start taking sections from the opposite side of the head. And when you're doing that, you just want to make sure that you're combing those sections softly so that they stay smooth and don't have any bumps. Once you reach about the ear, start angling the braid back towards the front of the face. Once you've pulled in all the hair, continue the elastic braid down to the ends of your hair. So just take a section from each side of the elastic and pull them into a new ponytail just below the first one. And again, always pull on the edges to give it some extra volume like we were doing before. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!